What's up, everyone? Today, we're going to do something awesome. We are going to figure out how to take that amazing song that's trapped in your head and turn it into an actual banger that you can share with the world, all with just your computer. Let's dive in. Okay, we've all been there, right? You've got this killer song idea, this melody, this beat, and it's just on repeat in your brain. But it's stuck. Like, how do you get it out so other people can hear it? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're tackling today. The secret weapon here is something called a digital notation program. Now, I know that sounds super technical and boring, but trust me, it's not. It's actually really simple. Think of it like this. You know how you use Google Docs or Word to write an essay? Or how you use an app to edit a photo before you post it? This is the exact same thing, but for music. All right, so first things first, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to get that music from your brain onto the computer screen. This is step one, where your idea stops being just a thought and starts becoming something real. And the cool thing is, there are a bunch of ways to get it done. So how do you do it? Well, you've got options. You could literally just use your mouse to click the notes right where you want them. Super easy. Or if you're a whiz on the computer keyboard, you can just type them in. And for those of you who already play a little piano, you can hook up a thing called a MIDI keyboard and just play your idea right into the computer. No right or wrong way, just pick whatever feels best. Okay, so your notes are in. This is where the magic really happens. This is the moment you get to actually hear your song for the first time. It stops being just dots on a screen and turns into actual music.
So how does it make sound? Well, these programs come packed with like a whole universe of virtual instruments. It's kind of like choosing your loadout in a video game, but instead of weapons, you're picking your dream band. You want massive orchestra strings for a movie soundtrack vibe? You got it. You want a sick drum kit and a funky bass line? It's right there. It's all in the box, ready to go.
And the best part? You don't have to wait. The second you've got some notes down, you can smash that play button and hear it back immediately. This playback feature is your instant preview. It uses all those instruments you just picked and shows you exactly what your song is sounding like. And here's the thing. You are in the driver's seat. You're the producer now. You can slow the whole thing down if there's a tricky part you want to figure out, or you can speed it up to see if it works as a dance track. You can even mute certain instruments, like maybe you just want to hear the drums and bass to make sure that groove is feeling right. It's all up to you. Look, nobody, and I mean nobody, gets it perfect the first time, and that is 100% okay. That's what editing is for. This next part is all about taking your good idea and leveling it up, polishing it until it becomes a real banger. You have to understand how much of a game changer this is. Back in the day, if you wrote music by hand and made a mistake, you were stuck with messy eraser smudges, or worse, you had to start the entire page all over again. Total nightmare. But now, a mistake is no big deal. You just move a note, delete it, whatever. And changing the whole key of a song, that used to take hours. Now it takes one click. Seriously, you basically get editing superpowers. You came up with an amazing chorus? Awesome. Just copy and paste it. You don't have to write it out again. Accidentally deleted something important? Boom. There's the ultimate undo button to save the day. The software even tidies everything up for you, so your notes always look super clean and professional. Okay, let's talk about music theory. I know. The second I say that, you might be thinking, ugh, boring homework. But stick with me, because in these programs, it's not like that at all. It's more like having secret cheat codes that make your music sound even better. I mean, just imagine for a second, what if the software itself could give you hints? Like, it could show you why some chords work well together and maybe even suggest cool ideas to make your song pop. That's what we're talking about. Well, that's exactly what these built-in tools do. The program can actually look at the chords you've made and flag stuff that might sound a little off. It might even suggest a different note or chord that would sound cooler. It's not forcing you to change anything. It's just like a helpful coach, giving you tips so you can learn and experiment with new sounds. All right, you made it. The idea is out of your head. You've built the track. You've polished it up. You have a finished song. Now for the best part, sharing it with everyone. And you've got so many ways to do it. You can print out legit-looking sheet music to give to a band. You can export it as an MP3 file to put on your phone or upload to the internet. Or you can just make a PDF and email it to your friends. It's super fast and easy to get your music out there. So, when you boil it all down, here's what matters most. It doesn't matter if you've never touched an instrument before or if you're already a pro. This kind of software gives you, yes you, the power to take an idea that's just floating around in your head and make it real.
to turn it into something that you and other people can actually listen to.
So, really, there is only one thing left to ask. The tools are there, your ideas are waiting. The real question is, what song are you going to make first?